Buckets Finance app pricing explained what you get for your money. Buckets Finance is a budgeting and personal finance app designed to help users manage money, automate savings, and achieve financial goals. Many assume finance apps charge hidden fees or have complex pricing, but Buckets Finance keeps it simple. The app offers two plans. The free version allows basic budgeting, expense tracking, and goal setup. Premium plan costs $99 per month or per year and adds features like automated savings, debt tracking, multi-account integration, and advanced reporting. There are no hidden fees, and all core budgeting tools remain accessible on the free plan. Most people get this wrong by assuming premium is required to manage money effectively. In reality, even the free version offers a solid framework for managing cash flow, visualizing spending, and setting goals. Premium simply accelerates results by automating tasks and providing deeper insights into your financial health. The surprising truth is that Buckets Finance also helps with behavior-based budgeting. By dividing funds into virtual buckets for bills, spending, and savings, the app encourages better financial habits without complex spreadsheets. For example, you can set a bucket for emergency savings, and the app will automatically allocate funds as income arrives. In conclusion, Buckets Finance pricing is transparent and practical. Whether using the free plan or premium subscription, users gain tools that streamline budgeting, automate savings, and promote smart financial habits, gain clear value for every dollar spent.